Hey there, quick review on this laundry hamper. This is a really neat hamper. It's got a very nice looking design on it. Not only is it functional for holding laundry or a lot of different things, but it actually looks really nice as well. The material on this is kind of like a rug material. It's got a very durable feel. Just really feels a lot like a low pile rug or a very low pile carpet. But it's dense enough that it kind of stacks up and holds itself in the shape that you see here. I did just take it out of the package, so it is still a little bit boxy looking from the way that it was folded, but I'm sure that stuffing this full of laundry for a while and it'll round out nicely. So just going all the way around this thing, this is the 58 liter size, so we've got quite a bit of space in there. As you can see, it's solid enough, it holds its shape. But it's still got some ability. Obviously it was folded up whenever I took this out of the packaging, so it's still kind of squarish, but the colors look nice. All of the stitching is excellent. Handles are easy to use, and this is the 58 liter size again, so decent amount of space in here. If you're looking for some laundry hampers that look really nice, this is an excellent option. Also great, throw it in your living room, keep some pillows and blankets in it, all kinds of different uses for this.